Hello guys. I got a lot of questions because of this long time from end of January until now. They ask me, are we in a bear market, or what is it called, this thing? Now, I have always showed you the Dow Jones because it has the 30 biggest companies in USA. They are so big and they represent the whole market. For example, you find banking system, banking sector, you can find drug sector, you can find financial sector, you can find all the sectors in these 30. So they give you an idea of how the market is going. The market has been into what we call trending into a range. This is trending into a range is a technical analysis word. Now, what does it mean? It means that mutual funds and the big guys, they don't decide yet what to do. Okay? Either to buy more and more or to sell more and more. And understand that mutual fund, they have around, they say I'm not sure about this, but they say they have about 40% or 50% of the whole market. It means all the shares of the market. These mutual funds, they have about 40 or 50 or 45% of the whole market. It means if they move, all the market will move. That's why you see a lot of things happening in the market. So right now, the market is going up and down for a long time. It's from the end of January, as I showed you before in many videos, until now, which is August, beginning of August. So there is no sign of a bull market or a bear market or a bear market. There is no. So the stocks are going up and down, up and down. But since it is a long time, we should, the people who are going to invest, especially investing. I'm not speaking about trading, because trading, you trade, you buy, you sell, it's okay. But investing, for me, if I want to invest, I should wait. At least I see where the whole market is going. Because if the market is going up after 1 month or 2 or 3, so what will happen? Most of the stocks will go up. So the chance of making money from investing is very positive. Now, let's say the whole market is going down after the correction, and it's going down, and most of the stocks are going down. So whenever you buy a stock, most of the time it will be negative. Why? Because most of the stocks are going down. Whenever you buy, it might be going down. For us as swing traders, we have more opportunities in the market than anyone else, like the day traders. Because when a stock wants to begin trending, it means to begin the first to become a trend. It doesn't matter how the market is, either bear market or a bull market or whatever, or like now, trending into a range. So any stock can go up, making a trend. Now, who is making those trends? It's the big buyers in the market. Now, you should not, let's say when we have an idea, for example, when we say mutual funds or pension plans or banks or big traders or big international brokers and so on, they buy. It doesn't matter who are they. Okay? So don't focus on something that doesn't give you any help. For me, when I see a trend, A stock is trending, it's going up, I make my money. I don't care. I don't care who is behind the stock. I can go and check who are the major holders, and maybe after 1 month or 2 or 3, who are the major holders, but this, it doesn't help me trade. What helps me trade is something else. What helps me trade is the price itself. If you see, I find a lot of people asking me, you say, oh, I have been watching a stock for 1 year or 2, it's going up. I was astonished. I say to these guys, why are you watching this stock? Since it's going up, why you don't buy? No, we want to be sure that the stock is going up. So they see the stock is going up for 1 year or 2 years. Now, when it is the end of the trend, understand that all what we do is following the trend. So we are trend followers. When the trend, we don't know how long the trend will be. Now, when the trend finishes, it's over. Now, what does it mean a trend finishes? It means there is no more buyers. People, the big guys, began to sell. And other people, investors, they see that stock is going down, they sell because they don't want to lose more of their profits. And then come the hedge funds and short sellers, and they hit each day the stock to be going down and down and down and down. So they make money because all the people are selling. Okay? You can't ask investors to say stop selling, because if they stop selling, the mutual funds, the hedge funds and the other, they can't do that much, because these guys, hedge funds managers and big traders who have maybe billions of dollars or millions of dollars, who are working on the market, they need help in order to make money. They don't just do it by themselves, because when they begin to sell short, all the day traders, especially when the stock is big and it is famous, they begin in the morning to see that there is some problem. That's why when you see Wall Street in the morning, if it is good and all is green, all the people are positive. They begin to buy. Whatever stock they buy, they just buy. In order at the end of the day, they make some money. But from the beginning, in the morning, even before the market opens with futures, they see things are going down. So they prepare themselves to short the stocks. And if they open red, they continue shorting the stocks. And if it continues for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, they make money. So it's just a perception. All what we do, like in trading, day trading or swing trading, is just a perception. You see something, you act on it. It's so simple. But the people, they don't believe. When they see a stock is going down, they don't believe that it is going down. Although they see it, but they don't believe. If a stock is going up, they don't buy. They won't until the trend is so big. As I told you about these guys that they follow stocks for 1 year, 2 years. Someone told me I was following this stock for 1 year or 2 years in order to see that it is a good stock. I say, the whole thing, you miss the whole thing. If at the beginning you see that this is a good stock and you bought it, maybe now you have made a lot of money. But you miss the opportunity, because in the market, each day there are opportunities to buy long or to sell short, always. This is the market from the beginning, from the 15th century or 16th century, with the beginning of the stock market in Amsterdam with 2 stocks. It's the same thing. Okay? It's the same thing. Each day, some stocks are going up, other stocks are going down. You will find gap ups and you will find gap down. Okay? Depending on where the people are. So it is something that it is always continuous. Now, if it is continuous, you should just know the game. Why these stocks are moving up, why they are moving down. I'm not speaking about reasons. I'm speaking about the price itself, because you will never know what are the reasons. Okay? So in order to give you an idea, today, for example, when you take the volume of any stock, let's say, I'm telling you, let's say 15 million shares traded a day. So you ask yourself, why the people are buying and the other are selling? There be someone who is wrong. Okay? And this is trading. It's just your perception. Someone is selling short in the morning. He thinks that the stock will be going down, so he take action. Now another guy, okay, is buying long. He thinks that it's an opportunity to buy. Someone is selling. So the market is in total chaos. It means everybody is doing the opposite of the other body. But who will win at the end of the day or at the end of the trend is the people with the price direction. Okay, price direction. If the stock is going up for, let's say, for 4 months or 6 months or 8 months, and you are going long, you will be making money. Now, if you are shorting the stock, although I don't short the stock for what we call swing trading, I don't do that because of the dangerous things that it has. So people, they do the same. Okay, some people they took long positions, either long or selling short. Either hedge funds, mostly hedge funds, they took these big positions, but they try to see the company itself. They see that the company has problems. They study these companies, so they bet that the price will fall down. This happened to many companies that you know, and they are very famous in America, and its shares are going down. I give you an example. Sears, for example. I have been trading Sears many years ago when it was so good. It goes to $195. I was trading long this stock, and it was very strong stock. But when it was going down and the news, the information, it's so bad. So people who know the company itself, and they are going to stay many years, so what they do, they sell short this company. And it's true. JCPenney, for example, I traded before, it was so good. But now you see, JCPenney and Sears, they are just few dollars. So there are a lot of things. When you know what's going on, you can always make money from the market, whatever it is. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. Please, if you have question, ask in the description, in the comments. Ask your questions. If you need, you have question, you can send me a private email. It's in the description, video description. Thank you very much, and see you next time.